Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO Vertical 2 and I'm gonna show you how to set up a passcode on this watch. So if you want to have your watch locked when you take it off of your wrist, you can set up a passcode, and basically if your watch is off your wrist and you want to access it, it will ask you to enter the passcode to unlock it. And to do that we need to open the settings, so press and hold the middle button to open the settings, then tap on General. Here scroll down and find the passcode and tap on it. And here we can turn on the passcode and then press the upper button, and now we can set it up. You can basically swipe up and down on the numbers to change them. I'm gonna set something like maybe 111, but I recommend to use something more complex, of course, so it's not as easy to guess. Like this, and now the passcode is enabled. You can also change it if you decide to change it by tapping on change passcode. But once the passcode is enabled and you take off your watch from your wrist, at some point it will lock itself, and once it locks itself it will ask you to enter the passcode. We can try to wait a few seconds and see if it will lock. Let's check now. It's still not locked. Maybe we need to wait a bit longer. Still not. Okay, so I'm gonna come back to you once it locks. Okay, we're back. I actually had to put it on my wrist and then take it off for it to lock it, or lock itself. But now it's locked. That's how it looks like. And to unlock it, you basically need to press the middle button, and will ask you for the passcode, and you need to enter it like this. Then press the middle button to unlock the watch. And of course you can also turn off the lock, so you can press and hold the middle button to open the settings, General, find the passcode, and then just disable it and enter the current one to confirm, and the passcode will be disabled. Okay, and that's about it. And that's how you set up the passcode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.